We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, my name is Lucy. I always say to stay subscribed because we have a good time on this channel. We're going to be installing this beautiful, perfectly styled wig that was sent over to me by Alipearl. This is their latest style, their newest wig on the website. It is their Braid wig. I have it in the length 26. Now this style of wig I have seen a couple times on TikTok. So when they reached out to me to send over this wig, I was very excited. You guys, it's beautiful. Look at this. It is so pretty. I am so simple, neutral, minimal when it comes to styling my wigs, my hair, all that good stuff. But there's a side of me that really wants to try out different styles. But the gag is, your girl doesn't know how to braid. And I also am not that creative when it comes to hairstyles. When I can find a wig that pretty much comes pre-styled, different, trendy, amazing styles, I want to try it. Now I'm going to have all the details to this hair. Everything is going to be in the description box below, so go ahead and check them out. Now without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. I'm going to show you how the wig comes from the box. Obviously they add some goodies, that's normal. And this is how the wig comes straight out the box. I have a lot of questions for Alipearl, and the first question, which is actually the main question, is who braided this wig? Because these are some gifted hands. This is perfectly done. This wig is perfect. When I say perfect, it is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled, pre-braided, pre-cut. Everything is pretty much done for you. You don't have to do anything. The braid is so beautiful. Like, do you all see how pretty this is? Now they have all the baby hairs laid out for you, but as usual, as you already know on this channel, I don't like baby hairs. I can do baby hairs, but it has to be really small. But if you really like baby hairs, then you would love that this is already out for you. I just love how the lace melts into my scalp. It is natural. I had to go in and customize it a little bit to fit my head, like my shape and all that. And currently I did a big chop, so wigs are kind of too big for me right now. I always have to go in and, you know, snip it a little bit more. I'm laying my lace as per usual. I'm still using the ebony. I haven't seen anything better. So if you have recommendations for an adhesive spray that works as good as ebony or even better, just let me know. And then I'm going in and removing the excess hair because, like I said, I don't do baby hairs. I just want to wear my wigs as simple as possible. And I feel like with the baby hairs, it's nice, it's cute, because on TikTok I've seen a lot of girls install this wig and then they left in the baby hairs as it is, and it's really nice. But for me, with my face and what really fits me, a lot of baby hairs make me look crowdy. Like, it just makes me look a bit too much, and I just like the simple look. And with the way this wig is already braided, I feel like having too many baby hairs or too much baby hairs is going to actually interrupt or take away from the braiding pattern, if that makes sense. The braid style. For defining the curls, honestly, I just went in with water and a hair serum. I didn't do anything else but just spray it down, define the curls, like refresh the curls, use my hand to detangle it. That's pretty much all I did. The hair is so soft and bouncy. It was unbelievable at this point. And then when it came to laying down the hair, you guys saw I didn't really do anything to it. I just laid it down and let it go. I didn't also want to touch the hair as much because I don't know how to braid. So if I ruin this, I cannot redo it. So the less I manipulated and touched the hair, the better for me. So I focused more on the hair itself at the back and just left the front alone. I feel like I'm not going to unravel this braid for God knows how long. This is a perfect wear and go wig. You don't have to do too much. If you want to be versatile with your style, I definitely recommend Alipearl. They have different styles, different patterns. You will not be disappointed if you go on that website. I'm going to have all the links down below, so go ahead and check this wig out. Check Alipearl out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
To be sincere, feeling this
this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate, but I'm missing you. Pull me in closer.
Those of you that are listening in your car, at your job, and you at home, I don't care where you at. Turn this up right now, cause we're about to go in. Hey, so everybody say